you. I have no idea what we.
Imagine.
The eye contact I'm getting is unreal.
As we go about the story, you will be placing down cards that will help fill it out.
You were reading a board game, and I've always never thought, like, what is he doing on his job? Read board games? And he was!
Broken heart. How do we draw broken hearts for this?
I'm chattering. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do dog shit.
Said the Barlow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pick a game.
All right, game.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Fun.
I think it was Kiana. She's in the sidelines witnessing this probably every shoot.
Girl.
Courtney. Of movie titles, and then I'm choosing.
No. It's
5. Okay, did you learn something good?
And
What? That's your indie movie talking. That's not real. That's your, like, that's like...
he doesn't know.
Interesting. Oh no, I know.
Same person. Okay, all right. We've got our coins down. I think this is the worst thing on the planet.
I think so too.
3.
oh my God.
My team will only be women today.
A really great bug? Is that what you said?
Yeah, but she meant to say something else.
Really, oh, like a...
And now
I'm hitting a wall today.
Yeah, this is your first video. That's embarrassing, bro.
Oh my God.
I remember it now. Whoever
What
is
the
the werewolf.
devil happened?
Oh, the whoever is the werewolf.
That's how Alex taught Minecraft to kids.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
On.
Ox couldn't, the sea nuts. Wait, are you guys trying to figure out
Couldn't
what
save them.
what she thinks this is called?
No, I think she thinks New York cheese.
Cake.
Yeah.
Meant.
New York bagel.
Oh! Way better, dude.
Stop! You scared me. You were shaking. I hate you. This?
This is I think
That's so stupid. Okay, that is.
Simultaneous for both of them, so.
I believe it might have been me, actually. I believe it was.
Okay, right.
Should I do butt too?
Can't say a bad.
So, if we win, what do we get?
Okay.
And left. So left.
Okay.
Yeah, very quickly, in a matter of just like,
In a hurry.
oh, it was like an afternoon. Okay, I'll say this. Chewing on this is showing me, this is all texture. That makes us grossed out today, because this is fun to chew.
I hate birds with wings so bad.